Welcome to the Baby Bus universe. Welcome to Science Planet. 3 magical encyclopedias live on the ancient Science Planet. They can answer all the questions in the world. Come on, my friends, let's explore the world of knowledge.
What kind of bird has a large beak? The Encyclopedia of Animals.
Bird Kingdom.
Toucan. This is toucan. It has a very big beak. Where are the toucans? Go and look for them. I found them. Toucans live in a tree in a jungle. This opening is a bit small. Enlarge it so that the toucan can live in it. What a fabulous new house! The baby toucans are hatched. Daddy toucan is going out to look for food. The toucan loves scampering from branch to branch. And it loves eating small fruits. Help it find some small fruits. Tap on the firm branch so that it can jump forward. Amazing! Daddy Toucan has found so much food! Daddy Toucan has brought back so much delicious food! Baby toucans are having a great time feasting! I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Toucan. Let's play again next time. This is a swan. It has a very long neck. Where are the swans? Go and look for them. Swans live amongst the reed bed by the lake. The cygnets are hatched. The cygnets are learning to swim under the care of their parents. Oh, the naughty cygnets are running about. Get them back. Don't run about! Oh no! An eagle is coming! Beat the eagle off! The cygnet's parents are protecting them. Good job! The eagle is driven away. Tap on the cygnet to get rid of the unwanted down. It feels so much better now, but there are still some other things. Thank you. The cygnet is much cleaner now. Swans are flying south for the winter. They fly sometimes in V shape and sometimes in one straight line. Cygnets are starving after the long flight. And are strong enough to fly on. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Swan. Let's play again next time. This is a pigeon. It's always cooing. Where are the pigeons? Go and look for them. I found them. Pigeons live in flocks. The pigeon is going to deliver the letter. Postmark the letter. The letter should be delivered here. The pigeon delivers the letter along a fixed route. The letter should be delivered here. The letter should be delivered here. The pigeon delivers the letter along a fixed route. The letter should be delivered here. Put the letter in the mailbox of the same color. Good job! Postman pigeons have done a good job delivering letters. Let's feed them. can carry on delivering letters. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Pigeon. Let's play again next time. This is a parrot. It has pretty plumage. Where are the parrots? Go and look for them. I found them. Parrots live in tree holes in the jungle. Baby parrots are hatched. Daddy parrot is so happy. Uh-oh, its plumage is soiled from playing in the mud. Let's wash it clean.
Wow! Wow! Woo!
Let's put on some nice-looking feathers for the parrot.
Wow! Wow!
So pretty.
Wow!
The parrot can copy what we say. Let's watch it perform. I want this. Ball. 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 The
Wow!
parrot is really awesome. I want this. Apple. 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 I want this. Cherry. 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 Wow, amazing. I want this. Mango. 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 I want this. Orange. Orange. Orange.
Wow!
Wow, amazing. Daddy Parrot has brought some food for its babies. They're full and feel happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Parrot. Let's play again next time. This is an eagle. It has a hook-like beak. Where are the eagles? Go and look. I found them. Eagles live high up on the treetop. The eaglets are learning to fly. The eaglet is a little scared. Its mother encourages it to fly. Drag the eaglet. Don't bump into trees. eaglet has finally learned how to fly. Great work! The eagle comes to the sea to look for food. Make sure to find this fish. Wow! The eagle is really fast. Make sure to find this fish. It caught a fish! Fantastic! Make sure to find this fish. And another one. Make sure to find this fish. Wow! The eagle is really fast. Make sure to find this fish. It caught a fish! Fantastic! Make sure to find this fish. And another one. Wonderful! So many fish! Daddy Eagle has found so much food. All the eaglets have eaten their fill. They're so happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Eagle. Let's play again next time. This is a swallow. It has a scissors-like tail. Where are the swallows? Go and look for them. I found them. Swallows live under eaves. Oh, baby swallows have outgrown the nest. They need a new nest. We need these materials. Branch. Clay. Feather. Feather. Branch. Clay. We've found all the materials we need. Fabulous! Let's help the swallows build their nest. Wow! How beautiful the new nest is! Let's decorate the new nest. Feathers can make the nest more comfortable. Put the baby swallows into the nest. Swallows love eating bugs. So delicious! I had a great time playing with you, my friend. Swallow. Let's play again next time. This is Toucan.